I'm Bree, and welcome to this week's mindfulness practice. Our theme for this week is embracing our community. What we learn from the hive is that every bee has its place in its community. It positively gives back and contributes to the hive just by living in this symphony of giving and receiving, giving and receiving. As individuals, we can be givers or takers. As members of our community, it's always better to be a giver. As much as you give, in the end, you always receive. Doesn't matter where we are on this totem pole of life. We all can contribute for the betterment of society in our own unique way. It can be through donating, whether it be, money to a worthy cause. It can be your time. It can be your talent. It could be something just as simple as smiling at a stranger on the street. A truly rich person is someone that is happy with what they have in life. And today in our meditation, we will be embracing our community with peace and love. With that in mind, come and join me for today's meditation. This meditation is really great for promoting compassion and love for others, but also for ourselves. We are literally going to be sending out love and kindness and receiving it back. It's also a great one to practice if you're experiencing any kind of conflict or anxiety or anger. For this meditation, I recommend that you lie down, make yourself comfortable. You can get a pillow for your head. You can put one under your knees. You can get a blanket. Make yourself cozy. With that being said, I invite you to close your eyes. Just we'll begin breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. I want you to visualize a non-romantic loved one. Not someone in your family, just a friend, an acquaintance, someone that you care about in a non-romantic way. See their face, smile at them. Envision yourself saying, "May you be well, may you be happy, and may you be healthy." See them smiling at you. Envision yourself in front of the mirror. Look at your face. Smile. See how beautiful you are. Wish yourself well. Say to yourself in the mirror, "May you be well. May you be happy. And may you be healthy." Smile. Picture somebody neutral. Someone on the street, someone on the bus. Just a stranger. Look at their face. Say to them, "May you be well. May you be happy. And may you be healthy." They smile at you and you smile back. Picture someone in your life that you have a difficult relationship with. Notice if you have any emotions that begin to arise. Whatever behavior they've done, you do not have to condone it. Just notice how we feel in this moment. Smile at this person and say to them, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be healthy. And they smile back at you. Envision these three people in front of you and yourself in the mirror. Take a moment and look at each individual face and tell everybody, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be healthy. Envisioning mankind as a whole, our entire world. Think of all the different people that are here on this planet. Picture them all smiling and say to them, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be healthy. Thinking about our higher power, the universe, the unknown, energy, whatever feels greater than yourself, greater than mankind as a whole. Feel that energy and say to it, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be healthy. All of this love and kindness and peace that you've expressed outward is all coming back to you. Imagine the person you care for sending you back this love and peace. Imagine yourself freely giving yourself this love and peace. Imagine a stranger on the street wishing you this love and peace. Imagine this difficult person in your life wishing for you this love and peace. Imagine the entire world sending you this love and peace. What does it feel like? And now open yourself up to this big, beautiful energy, this higher power, the universe, and it is showering you with love and peace. Open your heart and receive it all. What does it feel like? What sensations are here? Absorb it all. You deserve it. You deserve to be happy and healthy and loved and at peace. Very slowly, coming back to our breath, feeling it moving in and out, that soft wave, expanding, contracting. Give a little wiggle to the fingers, to the toes, maybe a little rotation to the wrist, to the ankles. You can even turn your head slowly one side to the other, and just do anything that feels good to wake up our bodies. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back to a seated position. I hope that you feel full of love and peace. And thank you so much for joining me. This is my last video in the series, and I really want to express my gratitude to you for taking the time to join me and for making the time for yourself. I hope that throughout this series you've found something that resonates with you. Take what works and leave what doesn't, and just experiment and grow and do your best to be consistent. And I wish you truly all the best. Thank you.